joining us now with tips for mold prevention.
On a topic we really need to talk a whole lot more about.
What makes a home susceptible to mold growth? We welcome the author of The Mold Medic, Michael Rubino.
Michael has been an indispensable resource for me as I've navigated my own challenges with mold.
Mold expert Michael Rubino says breathing in mold can cause serious health problems.
Well, I'll tell you this, we take an average of 20,000 breaths per day, and air transmission is the greatest route of exposure. So having particles like mold and toxins that mold can produce is not really great for our health.
One room can be the source, but unfortunately, if that source is consistently producing spores and these particles and toxins, that can impact you from even the room next door.
Do I just take bleach and wipe it down?
Please don't do that.
So mold is an interesting topic because it's actually a blanket term used to describe over 100,000 species of fungus. It can grow in as quickly as 24 to 48 hours. So if you don't remove the source of water quickly within that time period, and the building materials stay wet for longer than that period, mold has the ability to start to grow at that point.
We have to maintain our homes and buildings and keep water away.
Microfiber towel. This actually is 100 times more effective than paper towels or any other towel when you're removing dust that can contain mold and bacteria.
A lot of college dorms have issues with mold, which actually led to a lot of media coverage over the past couple of years.
We've gotten over 100 calls just last night with people leaving urgent messages like, help, my basement is flooded, what do I do?
There's no repairing your body until you repair the mold issue.
Yeah, it would be kind of like if your bathtub is overflowing with water, it'd be like trying to clean up the water with towels before shutting off the faucet.
So how do you prevent that from happening?
I'm gonna say something that is not very popular, but unfortunately is true. Cleaning. What is in our dust gets into our body. If you've ever sat on a couch on a sunny day and you saw that ray of light peer through a window, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Our dust is everywhere. And a lot of these particles like mold spores and the toxins that mold can produce, they settle in our dust and then they opportunistically enter our body as our dust continues to recirculate.
I'm grateful to be here. I really believe in the work that I'm doing to really help educate people.